Good morning, folks. James Fowler here for your morning update on Tri-County Weather Service. Looking at the weather headlines for the rest of the week. Spring warmth does return for the remainder of the week for today, tomorrow, and Sunday. So the weekend is going to be really great with lots of sunshine. But the big story is the warmth. Double-digit temperatures. A little colder and wet as we get into the start of next week. We have a few days of rain and some much cooler temperatures. However, it won't be overly cold. And, of course, we have a potential for a storm on Wednesday. Currently, right now, 4 degrees, mostly cloudy skies. Feels like -1 out there to 2.3 degrees. Humidity at 92%. And those winds, they're a little breezy out there. 20 kilometers per hour, gusting to 30. And we'll see those gusts remaining in the 20 to 40 kilometer per hour range through the day today, but those winds will become lighter as we get into tonight and tomorrow before they pick up again on Sunday. The almanac now, average high is 6 degrees. We'll double that by the end of day today. The low -2. The record high is 14. I think we're going to be just shy of that record. I think the high today will be 12 degrees. In 1953, it was a nice mild one at 14 degrees, so we're going to be close to that record today. If you're around in 1974, it was -9. That was a cold morning. Sunrise at 7:12 a.m., sunset 7:46 p.m. Alright, we'll just ignore this here. Alright, so sunset getting close to the 8 o'clock now, but over the next few weeks, it won't be long until we get sunsets close to the 9 o'clock as we get over to the spring and summer months. Taking a look now as we get into the satellite. We have this big frontal system here over the northeast states. This is producing plenty of clouds. It's also producing some rain as well. I'll get to the radar in a little bit. As you can see here, a lot of the clouds are moving in to the south and northeast over our area. This is a fast-moving front. It's going to bring us a lot of clouds for the morning and early afternoon hours. And I can rule out a few chances of showers late in the afternoon and early evening hours from this bigger batch of clouds right here. This is from that cold front. So there is a chance of showers late this afternoon and evening. Otherwise, we will see partly to mostly sunny skies today. Here's that break of clearing clouds right now. And that is ripping apart. And that is because of this high pressure in the mid-Atlantic right there. Behind the front, behind the front, we have lots of sunshine, some high wispy cirrus clouds. But that weather will be coming this way for the weekend into Monday, so there's really not a lot to talk about except for a lot of sunshine. But just be aware that you may need the umbrella this late afternoon and early evening hours. Looking at the radar right now, here's the radar over the northeast states and Nova Scotia showing that rain pushing northeast, kind of getting ripped apart because the air is fairly dry in the upper atmosphere. So that's the good news. It's actually dry up in the atmosphere that it's actually ripping the showers apart. But some of these will survive in our area as we get over the evening hours. Lots of thunderstorms and heavy rain over New Brunswick right now. Rain and thunderstorms over Montreal, Ottawa, and much of the Ontario area. And of course, Rochester, New York, Pennsylvania, those areas also seeing some rain and thunderstorms. And that is what's going to come for later this evening and possibly even overnight hours before it finally dries out. Looking at the futurecast now, taking us out over the next 52 hours here. Here's that chance of showers kind of drying out, but the chances there as we get into 4 p.m. to 7 p.m. is the best chance of showers. And this model actually even puts the chance of showers even arriving shortly after midnight. Finally clearing overnight tonight, and then we'll see high pressure take over. This is going to bring warmer temperatures for Saturday and Sunday, and it's going to keep us dry as well. Best chance of showers will be right on the coast for today. But other than that, we're dry for the rest of the weekend, and then next batch of showers don't arrive until we get into Sunday night into Monday from a separate low. Alright, let's take a look at the forecast now. The hourly forecast. Looking at 9 o'clock, 8 degrees under mostly cloudy skies. By 12 o'clock, clouds and 10 degrees. We'll see some clouds at 3 o'clock and 12 degrees. That's your high today. Chance of showers at 6 o'clock this evening at 9 degrees. And then by 9 o'clock, clouds and 7 degrees. If you're heading out to school, 5 degrees at the bus stop this morning. By noon, we're at 10 degrees under partly sunny skies and mostly cloudy skies by 3 o'clock at 12 degrees. Today, afternoon showers, a high of 12, southeast winds 20 to 30 kilometers per hour. Those temperatures slowly, steadily rising as we get towards the noon and early afternoon hours, and then falling down by late afternoon. Chance of rain, best chance again is late afternoon, early evening hours. Slight chance of showers afternoon between 12 and 2 p.m. But the best chance is 3, 4, and 5 o'clock this evening for our showers. And then tonight, showers ending, possibly some fog, mild at 4 degrees. We'll see those winds finally becoming light. Those temperatures only slowly falling tonight because of that cloud cover and fog. It's going to help keep those temperatures from falling much. And tonight, best chance of showers again, 6, 7, 8 o'clock. After 9 o'clock, I think we're going to be done with the showers. However, the model is saying we could see showers even up to 12 o'clock, but I wouldn't count on it. I think we're just going to be wet between 3 and 6 p.m. For tomorrow, Waterwall sunshine, 14 degrees. Winds will be light. Tomorrow's forecast. So starting off at 9 o'clock, we're at 9 degrees. By noon, 12 degrees. 3 p.m. tomorrow afternoon, 14 degrees. And by 6 o'clock, we are going to be at 13 degrees. So 14 is your high with mostly sunny skies. Those winds turning to the north at 12 kilometers. For the weekend, showers later on this afternoon, 12 degrees. Otherwise, sunshine for Saturday and Sunday for the weekend. 14 on Saturday, 15 on Sunday. Temperature tracker shows the average is actually 6. Ignore that 4. It's actually 6 degrees. We're looking at temperatures well above the average. Friday, Saturday, and Sunday with temperatures into the low to mid-teens. Will fall down on Monday and Tuesday with temperatures of 4 degrees. For your 7-day forecast, it looks like this. Showers, windy, and mostly cloudy skies for today, 12 degrees. Lots of sunshine tomorrow. Get out and enjoy it, 14 degrees. Turning cloudy on Sunday with increasing winds, 15 degrees. That's probably going to be the best day to enjoy the warmth because it turns colder on Monday and Tuesday with lots of clouds. 4 degrees on Monday, 4 degrees on Tuesday with lots of sunshine. Next storm will rise on Wednesday with heavy rain and high winds. But really warm temperatures at 16 degrees. But of course, behind that storm is some colder air. And that's going to arrive for Thursday. Lots of sunshine, gusty winds, and temperatures of 6 degrees. That is your Tri-County Weather Service morning update. I am Chief Meteorologist Jay Spot. Have a great Friday morning. And Brendan will be in this afternoon for your updated forecast.